Hi guys, Nick Miller, Dave Mark Supply Company today for you. 2010 Kubota BX2360 subcompact tractor with a RCK 54-23BX belly mower deck, R4 tires. Tractor has just 1,110 hours on it. It was a mowing tractor its whole life. It's all it's done. It's never had a loader, but it is loader ready. And what that means is you have your joystick, your 4 auxiliary hydraulic connections, your power beyond connections for your loader. If you would find a fast hitch and you want to put a snowblower, snow plow, front broom on this tractor, it is already equipped to do that. Very good running working tractor. We're going to start you up here at the front and take you completely around. Here we go. So, tractor is going to be powered by a Kubota D902, 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts, runs, and works excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. This tractor has been fully serviced with all new OEM Kubota filters and oils. And we run Super UDT under your ends and the transmission. Hood's in good shape. There are some scratches and some scrapes on it. Nothing excessive, but just pointing that out. R4 tires are going to be 75% all the way around. We have been over the deck. All new gauge wheels. Deck's in good shape. We've had it off. Change gearbox oil. Coming here to the back, Category 1 3-point hitch, 540 PTO, and factory top linkage with it. Again, deck is in very good shape. It is not busted up. Blades are still in good condition. Over here you're going to have your PTO controls, so in and out for your PTO, selection of PTO. Here is going to be mid and rear. Up and down for your mower deck, forward and reverse, or high and low range, and forward drive in and out. We'll go ahead here. 1,010 hours. Format is very nice shape. We'll go ahead and fire this tractor up, let her run around, show you everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. Guys, there it is. Not what we can do here. It's just a mowing tractor as far as the video. But if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House Machinery Trader. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.